Hey everyone, today, we're looking at the Cubot Kingkong X, a tough smartphone that supports contemporary technologies and has a fearsome style. For those who require a dependable and long-lasting phone for frequent usage, this gadget is ideal because it is developed to endure the most extreme circumstances. KingKong X has everything a modern user could want, including a strong processor, lots of RAM, and a long battery life, all at a reasonable price. Let's see the capabilities of this beast. The KingKong X has a tough exterior with noticeable protective features, giving it the appearance and feel of a dependable, long-lasting gadget. The body of the smartphone is made out of metal, rubber, and plastic elements that give it additional protection from shocks and falls. It's a little heavy at 275 grams, but that just makes it more durable. This smartphone is mostly aimed at guys. Its monochromatic black color scheme gives it an elegant appearance. A 6.58-inch display with large bezels on the front panel provides additional screen protection. A ribbed surface on the side panels improves grip and helps to prevent slips. The volume buttons and power button, which doubles as a fingerprint scanner for speedy unlocking, are located on the right side. There is a SIM card and memory card slot on the left side. Speaker holes and USB-C connection for data transfer and charging are located on the bottom panel. In addition, the Cubot Kingkong X has a waterproof cover that lets you use it in damp environments without fear of damage. This feature guarantees that the phone can function in a variety of demanding settings, which makes it a great option for anyone who requires a reliable and durable smartphone. This device's 6.58-inch IPS display, which has a resolution of 2408 by 1080 pixels, produces images that are bright, clear, and rich in color. The display is compatible with multi-touch technology, which makes it possible for you to multitask and play games at the same time. The screen also has a protective layer that resists scratches, which helps to maintain its good condition even during heavy use. The display guarantees excellent image quality and comfortable text reading with a pixel density of 401 ppi. The Helio G99 CPU powers the KingKong X, guaranteeing strong performance and quickness. This octa-core processor does normal tasks and multitasking with efficiency, and the Mali G57MC2 GPU makes sure that graphics-intensive apps and games run smoothly. The smartphone has 12 gigs of RAM, which enables seamless system performance and fast application switching between apps. You can save a lot of data on the 256 gigs of built-in storage, and if necessary, you can use a microSD card to expand the capacity up to 1 terabyte. A 5-megapixel secondary camera is included alongside the 108-megapixel main camera on the Cubot Kingkong X, which is an f1.9 aperture. Although the smartphone's camera arrangement is good for taking everyday pictures, it is not its best feature. For example, the portrait mode might not be without its issues. In contrast, the front camera has a 32-megapixel sensor with an f2.2 aperture that allows it to capture videos well in well-lit environments and take decent selfies, even in portrait mode. In terms of connectivity, the KingKong X has an GPS modem for exact location monitoring, and Bluetooth 5.2 support for quick and stable data transfer. In addition, the smartphone has NFC for contactless purchases and offers internet calls for VIP users. The KingKong X robust 5100 mAh battery, which ensures long-term independent operation, is one of its best characteristics. Users can use their smartphones actively for up to 2 full days thanks to this capability. For customers who are constantly on the go, the device's fast charging capability allows for a speedy recharge. The battery is shielded from unintentional damage and built to guarantee steady gadget functioning. The Cubot Kingkong X is a contemporary tough smartphone with superb build quality, long battery life, and good performance. It's perfect for anybody looking for a cost-effective modern gadget with modern features that they can rely on. This smartphone performs flawlessly whether you use it for social media, internet browsing, music streaming, or content viewing. You won't have to worry about drops or submersion in water because of its protective casing. Remember to leave a comment below with your thoughts on these devices. To stay informed, you should, of course, subscribe to the channel and click the bell symbol. Have a nice day and God bless you.